Ever daydream about retirement and end up wondering how much money you'll need? Let me share a few ways that you can think about your income in retirement. Planning ahead can help you feel more in control of your decision on when to retire and what lifestyle you can afford. There are three main income buckets. First, we have predictable income sources like Social Security and pension plans. The second is money from your retirement savings accounts. And the last is income from side gigs, like rental properties and maybe even a part-time job. Fidelity suggests that your essential expenses, like housing, food, and healthcare, be covered by predictable income sources like Social Security, a pension, or a guaranteed income annuity. This can help you feel more confident in covering essential needs each month and using any income beyond that for your wants. Social Security will likely be a key source of income. So make sure that you understand that while you can begin claiming Social Security at the age of 62, your monthly payments get bigger the longer you wait, up to age 70. Pensions are another predictable income source, but not many people have access to them nowadays. If you do, you'll want to apply that income to cover essential expenses too. If Social Security and any pension income won't cover all your essential expenses, you'll want to consider a guaranteed income annuity as an option. Let me explain. A guaranteed income annuity is like having your own personal pension, just paid to you from an insurance company. You can take money from your retirement savings and invest in an annuity that will provide you guaranteed monthly income for the rest of your life, regardless of what the stock market does. I'd encourage you to shop around to find the one that meets your needs. Once those essential expenses are covered, you can think about how your remaining retirement savings can help cover your discretionary expenses, your wants. You can generate income from your retirement savings in two ways. First, depending on how you've invested, your retirement investments can provide earnings in the form of stock dividends or interest from bonds. And second, you can make small, gradual withdrawals of your savings. The key is only withdrawing a little each year. Around 4% is a good starting point, so that you can help preserve the balance to continue to provide income from your investments. After that, if you want some extra money to supplement your income, consider getting a part-time job. Working a little in retirement can help you stay active and can help cover some expenses. This can feel like a lot, but don't worry, you're not alone. Fidelity is here to help you. Here are a few online tools where you can calculate your Social Security benefit and estimate your future retirement income. If you have questions or want help with the tools, you can also just give us a call, and someone like me will be happy to help you make a plan for your retirement income.